If you're taking the SAT or ACT and you're not sure if you're going to do good, don't worry, I got you. So the problem says Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with the equation P equals 108 minus 23D, where P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she has worked that week. What is the meaning of the value 108 in this equation? So they give us the equation P equals 108 minus 23D. Okay, so in other words, P is the number of phones that we have left at the end of each day, and we're starting with 108 phones. Okay, so that's going to be kind of like our initial value. And then we're subtracting 23 times D. So that means each day Kathy can repair 23 phones. So I'm going to say that 23 is the number of phones repaired each day. Okay, so let's look at the answer choices. So letter A says Kathy will complete the repairs within 108 days, and that is not true. We know that 108 is the initial value for this equation, so letter A is not correct. Letter B says Kathy starts each week with 108 phones to fix, and that's true. That's her initial value, and that's the amount of phones that she gets at the start of the week. So I'm going to put a check for now. Letter C says Kathy repairs phones at a rate of 108 per hour. That's not true because we know that she repairs 23 per day. So we're going to mark out C. And then D says Kathy repairs phones at a rate of 108 per day. And that's also not true because, like we just said, she repairs 23 per day. And 108 is our initial value. So we're going to mark out letter D, and letter B will be our answer.